Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your phone runs Android 9 or later and has enough battery. This feature isn't available on older versions. Once confirmed, choose a DNS provider that supports encrypted DNS, Cloudflare, Quad9, or your own DUT host, and note the hostname or IP. Now open Settings and search Private DNS. Do this immediately so you don't lose context. Make sure to use the provider's exact hostname when selecting Private DNS Provider hostname. This avoids connection errors later on. Once done opening the Private DNS dialog, select the option to enter a provider hostname rather than off. Type the encrypted DNS hostname exactly as given. Typos cause failures. Then tap Save. After saving, Android will attempt to validate the connection. This may take a few seconds. If validation succeeds, apps use the encrypted resolver automatically. Make sure to test by visiting a site or using a DNS leak test app, so you can confirm queries are routed through the new resolver instead of the ISP. To finish, test browsing and run a DNS leak checker to confirm encryption and correct resolver. If Android rejects the hostname, switch Private DNS to off, then re-enter the hostname carefully. Sometimes a resave fixes validation. If problems persist, reboot the device and, if needed, reset network settings because cached configurations can block new resolvers. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see intermittent failures, ensure your DNS provider supports the chosen protocol, DUT versus DUH, and that network-level firewalls aren't blocking the encrypted DNS port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.